Welcome to week 11. We are heading into diversity and individuals, chapters 13 and 14 this week. So you will have two chapters again, which we haven't had for a little bit, so make sure you're aware of that. I also posted a discussion question that I'd like you to think about. So read through your diversity chapter, do your homework, which is chapter 13. And then there are some articles at the bottom of week 11 that I have put into a folder, and they're just some current topics and thoughts that I have added into a folder. Pick one of those. If none of those are of interest to you, I just added the most recent dilemma facing Uber, which I found to be very interesting. And I'd just like to hear your take on that from a diversity or more of an inclusion mindset. And so you can pick an article out of the folder that says references, or you can use the Uber article. It's a podcast. I want you to listen to those or read the article, whichever way you choose, and then go into the discussion forum and make sure that you summarize the article, talk about how this relates to our chapter, and then add some of your own personal thoughts in there. After you finish that, you need to go ahead and find two other students as well. And I've given you until next Tuesday to do this. And it is going to be worth 20 points. So make sure you get in there and do that. Half of it, 10 points, will be for your post, and then 5 points for each post that you make it to two other students. I'd like this to be an interactive session where we talk about diversity and inclusion. I would like to bring to your attention that the shift is currently happening where we're going from a diversity focus to an inclusion focus, and companies are looking at creating inclusion plans, which means you're more proactive, more forward thinking. Rather than diversity is looking for differences, inclusion is looking for how we can all be together. So those are kind of different buzzwords that are going on right now, and how we're shifting our mindset by just way of changing the wording and how we look at things. So be aware of that. We'll go into individuals after that. And so you have two chapters, and if you have any questions, let me know. I did get the project or the cases graded on Southwest Airlines regarding the topic, should we try to make more money? For the most part, they were good. I saw students in there using all of the resources that I had offered up. I gave you some pretty candid feedback, so those grades are posted. You will have one more case, so please review the feedback and always contact me if you have any questions. I'd like the second case to be a deeper dive into more critical thinking and well-developed ideas around the problem statement and list and analysis of the alternatives. So have a great week, and I'll see you online.